Hello students of standard 1. So we are going to start your second lesson, that is numbers from 0 to 9. Here you will take the help of your copy. So finally you are going to write on your copy. Students, this is your math copy. Here you will give your lesson number like lesson 2. Then your first task is to write the numbers with their number name. So the number will start from 1 to 10. One spelling you write the number name, then 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Then students, you will write the number line question answer in your copy. How to write? Let me show you. So first you will draw the number line from 0 to 9 or 0 to 10. Then which number you need to find out, you have to write. So here you have to find out 5 on your number line. So from 0 to 5 you draw one line and show that you have found 5. And for better understanding, you circle this 5. Then you need to find out 4. So draw the line from 0 to 4 and circle 4. Then for finding out 7, draw the line from 0 to 7 and circle the 7. For 6 also, draw the line from 0 to 6 and make it a circle. So students, to know before and after on the number line, there are 2 rules. To the right side of the number is after and the left side of the number is before. So let's take an example. 3's right side is 4. That means 3's after number is 4. 3's left side is 2. So the before number of 3 is 2. So these are answers and questions you will write on your copy. What comes just before 8? Before 8 means the left side of the number. The number's left side comes as 7. So the answer is 7. What comes just after 4? After 4 means the right side of the number. 5. So you will write 5. What comes just before 9? So the left side of 9 comes 8. So the answer will be 8. What comes just after 2? After means you will look at the right side of the number, which is 3. So the answer is 3. What comes just before 6? Before number means always remember the left side of the number, and after means always remember the right side of the number. So students, now come to know about greater than. You can see here 5 nuts and here 3 nuts. So which is greater, 5 or 3? So to know the greater symbol, it is like a bird's beak and the greater number always inside the bird's beak. So these work also need to be done in your copy. You can see some of the pictures here. Here some pictures of balloons, here 6 and here 4. Which number is greater, you put the symbol. Here some cupcakes, here 4 and here 5 numbers of cupcakes. Which number is greater, put the symbol. Like this you can complete the rest of the work. So after knowing greater than and lesser than, come to know about equal to. If the number or amount is same, then you can put equal to symbol. This is equal to symbol. So here 4 number of aeroplanes and here also 4 numbers of aeroplanes. So you put the equal to symbol. Here also and rest of also. Now this is your worksheet. This also can be done in your copy. So don't forget to write it in your copy. Put the symbols wherever need greater than and lesser than and or equal to. The true false also you will write in your copy. Think which one is true and false. These work also can be done in your copy. color the circle which has the biggest number. Then circle the biggest number out of the 3 numbers. Here color which is the smaller number, like 7, here 3, 2 and 0. Then out of 3 numbers, circle the smallest one. Then arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. You will arrange the numbers from small to big order. Then arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means from big to small. You will arrange the number from big to small. So students, we have completed your lesson 2. Sincerely write it all the question answer which I have told in this video. Write in your copy.